beautiful people, welcome back to the vlog. Today we will be starting on the STI and building our rotator setup. Now I'm actually recording this video after we've done just about all the work. I'm waiting on a couple parts currently, but apparently I thought I could record all that jibber jabber in my introduction to this vehicle video and the start of this project in the same video, which obviously not a thing, so I only recorded one introduction then, so that's why I'm recording one now. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show, or something, I don't know. Let's get into it. Alrighty then. Yeah, I just wanted to start off getting a little bit of piping hacked up. Got the down pipe hacked up. I'll be the last thing I do in all this fabrication most likely, but yeah, I wanted to get that apart, get my pipe set, you know, and all that good stuff. Should be pretty easy to weld up the down pipe. For those of you that are Subaru guys, most of you know there's this bracket here on the down pipe. There's a hanger coming down off of the trans mount, and that bolts to that hanger, so bolt that into the rest of the exhaust, bolt that mount in the hanger, and we know exactly where our down pipe needs to be. So next step now, we're gonna go ahead and pull the turb ski off. Probably start pulling the piping, the intercooler piping off as well, since I'm pulling stuff off anyway. And then we can see, I did last night, or the other night, I did weld on my V-band flange to a piece of tubing for the up pipe. So I got that all ready to go. Probably should have waited because I got a little, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I did get some sugaring on the inside. I was hoping I could avoid that because the pipe kind of fits into the flange, and I was hoping that it, you know, not sugar on me, but it did. So it is what it is. Back purging is definitely going to take place for the rest of this setup. So yeah, with that said, let's continue on. Alrighty then, so we've got the turb ski removed, and also the, what did I do with it already? Also the up pipe. I am really confused as, oh, I found it, never mind. As my father always says, I would lose my head if it wasn't attached. I lose a lot of things. So, yep, here's my 20-mile up pipe that I'm about to hack up because, you know, why not? Rotated. I think I might have been wrong about my my oil leak. So when I went to pull the turbo out, well, silly me, I did forget to undo the oil feed line. But by the way the turbo was moving around, I don't think it was far off from what it is now. So I'm pretty sure I jacked that up in the many times. Just, I mean, I feel like that's kind of a common thing for, well, maybe it's not, because people probably have the foresight to loosen that or take it off before they put the turbo on, or take the turbo off and don't work hard in that. But my lazy ass just kind of moves it out the way and then bends it back. And I was fairly certain that that was something that was bound to happen. I didn't think it did happen, but it did, which is not a big deal at all, because somewhere around here there's a box, and in that box is the d.i.y braided oil line kit. It's probably on the bottom somewhere, but anyway, I'll have to be getting it. But anyway, yeah, I got the d.i.y braided line to go with the rotated setup, because obviously the stock line isn't going to reach a rotated positioned turbo. So yeah, I was looking into braided lines already because I knew that was a possibility. So now we have the most likely source of our oil leak. Now we gotta pull the wastegate off, and then we gotta hack this flange off right here so that we can extend and add our V-band flange for the rotated setup. I'm gonna kind of look at it a little bit and see how I'm gonna position. I kind of want to move the turbo over, but at the same time, I feel we should be just fine simply raising it up, because it'll be here, so it'll come up here. Yeah, we should be good. Then when you twist it, it'll, you know, leverage and all that. It'll come out to here. And yep. That's got to come out. The old oil drain. I have more of that -10 braided line that I can extend. I can make a longer piece for the new turbo. And then got to get the lower coolant feed tube off. I've got some AN adapters and AN lines to run those. So yeah, continuing on in our rotated journey. Alrighty then, everyone. That's about where we're getting to in this video. You know, I don't want to make them too long. Still trying to get you guys to watch these damn things, you punks. But yeah, I feel we made some pretty good progress, and she's coming together. I'm happy with my progress. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Still wanting these comments, yo. If you don't like the videos, you got to tell me what you don't like so I can fix them. Don't just watch and then turn it off and then go about your day. Watch the whole thing, please. But no, yeah, you know, I really would appreciate the feedback, guys. I'm trying here. I'm enjoying myself, so that's, you know, I'm not going to completely, well, maybe I will completely revamp everything. I shouldn't say that. You know, I am enjoying myself, like I'm saying though. So if I can do them better, have more fun, I'm all ears, guys. Let me know. But with that, hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, week, month, however long it takes you to come back and say hello again. So thanks for watching. Deuces.